Kiana, you should not trust Dan Mardayaw and Escal Penumbra. Are you blind, Shadaya Kiana, when you see for example, those two idiots, Escal Penumbra and Dan Mardayaw, Ate Dina Guillermo, Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan, they are Marcos loyalists. They are imbasalt. They want to politicalize Rodelio Daguman, even Sangkay Jan and Romeo TV Vlog. If I were you, if I were you, Shania Kiana, break up with Carlo Orencia. You know that? Do not insist me. You know, I was mad at Dan Mardayaw for politicalize Rodelio Daguman. I know we are autism, ha? I know what I feel at that I was a non-political. You know what, Shania Kiana, one more defending at Eskel Penumbra, Kel Pabelo, Alexandra Pagkalinawan, Ate Dina Guillermo, and even Dan Mardayaw. I will put you in my enemy list, Shania Kiana. Me and Jerick Silva, we are mad at you, Shania Kiana. Because you know, I don't care what you're talking about. Do not defend my enemies. I'm protecting Kuya Rodelio Daguman not to talk about politics. That's all. It will be a cyberbullying. It will be happening this time. Wait, I am going to eat. Okay, let's continue my vlog before my speech anyway. I just done eating dinner. Oh, I just ate dinner, Shania Kiana, I had enough about your you're accusing me that you're defending Dan Mardayaw. First of all, you defend my archenemy, Paulo Cruzada. Next, you defend Dan Mardayaw and Eskel Penumbra. Both of them are abnormal. You know what, Shania Kiana? I'll put you in the enemy list. I will never forget for what you did to Jerick Silva. About your stupid boyfriend, Carlo Orencia. Oh, do you think your boyfriend Carlo Orencia have even saying bad words toward that Jesus? If you're a born again Christian, Shania Kiana, don't be such a manipulative. Even your close ally, Dan Mardayaw, you always talking about politics. Always talking about political motivation. Me, I'm not talking about politics. As I'm a Duterte supporter, I never talk politics. So I talk with did I talk with Jardino politics? No. I never talk. Lawrence Villanueva and I, we never talk politics. This is hard to say to those idiot Marcos loyalists who were fake Filipinos. Do not politicalize. As we are Filipinos, we are non-political. Like for example, Tito Mac is pro Duterte, he's non-political, he's a pro Vladimir Putin, he's non-political. Me, I'm pro Duterte, I'm pro Ali Khamenei, I am pro Vladimir Putin, I am pro Hugo Chavez, I am pro Fidel Castro, I am non-political. Like you, Danmar. Talking about politics like this, me, as for example, if I'm a pro Duterte, if I'm a pro Putin, I'm a pro Khamenei, pro Fidel Castro, pro Hugo Chavez, and pro Xi Jinping, and pro Fidel Castro or something, I always to be non-political. Dan Mardayaw, Eskel Penumbra, Ate Dina Guillermo, and Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan, and Teacher Kel Pabelo, have all of you never teach about moral lesson? Even you, Shania Kiana, that your imbecile boyfriend, Carlo Orencia, had saying bad words at Jesus. You reprimand Carlo Orencia not to say too much bad words. And what was Carlo Orencia said? You says about, fuck you, John Paul Enriquez, fuck you, Jesus. It's really bad. I never supposed to say that word. Shania Kiana, if you're friends with Carlo Orencia, reprimand him. I know. And even you, Shania Kiana, are you a spy of the Marcoses? Are you a spy of the Marcos loyalist? Are you a spy of Dan Mardayaw? You betrayed with the Duterte supporters, Shania Kiana. You betray everything. You are abnormal, Shania Kiana. I'm only advice to you, Shania Kiana. Do not defend Dan Mardayaw, Eskel Penumbra, Teacher Kel Pabelo, Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan, and Ate Dina Guillermo, and Dan Mardayaw as well. They are abnormal. Marcos loyalists are abnormal. And even the other Marcos loyalists are abnormal. Sangkay Janjan and Romeo TV Vlog are abnormal. Oh, I'm never supposed to say that to Wawel Romero, abnormal because it will be her to her big sister. You know that, Shania Kiana,